Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essentials, power and proximity. Charge your Beats Flex briefly if needed, then enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop. Once done, press the power button until the LED flashes to force pairing mode. This tells the earphones to advertise themselves. On your device, scan for Beats Flex and tap to connect. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts so profiles install. If you use an Apple device, you'll see a fast pop-up for one-step setup. Otherwise, follow your OS prompts. Once paired, fine-tune how the Beats Flex behave. You'll want to set media versus call volume, so adjust those separately in your device's audio settings for consistent performance. Then, install the Beats or manufacturer app when available to enable automatic ear detection and update firmware. Make sure you map the button shortcuts to play, skip, and answer calls. This saves time while moving. If you use voice assistants, link them in settings now so a long press triggers Siri, or you're almost done, verify everything works. Play a track to confirm stereo balance and test the microphone with a short call. Once satisfied, store the Beats Flex neatly and choose the ear tips that seal best for bass and stability. Make sure cables are relaxed to avoid strain. If something goes wrong, dropouts, no sound, or pairing failures, reset the headphones by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks, then repair. That fixes most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.